Here are some more crazy custom PC mods, starting with the Punisher theme PC. This was modded in the Core P90 case by Thermaltake. It looks like a sentry turret with a spinning base and has the Punisher logo right in the middle. Something that could support you during your sentry rampage is this little companion. A pretty sick custom Battlefield 2042 themed PC that's modeled after the Ranger robot dog from the game itself. I had to look carefully to even notice the PC here. This last one is probably what I would get for my daughter Shayla. A baby McLaren to match her dad's. A mod by JMDF that features a PC built entirely inside of a mini McLaren 720S replica. If you guys want to see more cool PC mods like this, make sure you're following the channel.